we'll all be celebrating Bonfire Night this evening by burning our Guy and letting off fireworks, but what's it really all about? Well, we went along to Cardiff to ask some kids just who was Guy Fawkes.
Guy Fawkes was a person who came from Scotland and they tried to blow him away back to Scotland because they didn't like him very much.
Well, he had a moustache, and when he went to blow up the house of Parliament, why he got blown up? Because the fire came on him.
He was trying to steal the crown jewels or something, so they burnt him.
When he was going to blow up the Houses of Parliament, someone found out and he was sent away to another country.
He plotted to blow the thing up and they caught him and he was cut up.
Why do you burn a Guy?
Because a long time ago somebody else got burnt, a real person.
Because he got burnt after he tried to blow up the Houses of Parliament.
How long ago was Guy Fawkes around?
About maybe 80.
80 years ago.
About 40 years ago.
About 2 years.
Is there anyone you'd like to burn on top of the bonfire?
Yeah.
Who?
My sister.
Michael Foot.
Why?
He's I hate him. He's very silly.
Margaret Thatcher.
Why?
I don't like her. I'd like to burn Terry Wogan.
The newspeople keep telling me they put it in their things.
My sister.
Why?
I hate her.
Oh, do you really? What would you like to do with her?
Kill her.
Little devil, she said what? I want to burn my sister.
Yeah, I know.
I can understand I want to burn Margaret Thatcher, but not burning your sister. It's very
She
unkind.
really hated her.
Oh, well, that was, where was that? Cardiff, I think.
Cardiff, yeah.
I always enjoy those kids songs. Mr. Gambaccini's